making our way. Like an old airplane. Going on the Enchantment to Customaya and Cozumel for the 65th time. There she goes.
Here I go.
Here I go again. All right, check in when you get on the ship.
Special at the steakhouse, so here we go to the steakhouse. We'll let you know how it is. We got it really cheap, and we have to wear the clothes that we came on the cruise ship with, which will be a really fun time. But I'm looking forward to it. I'm very hungry. So with
Chops
that,
Grill, baby.
Chops Grill. Here we
go.
Yeah.
Right, so very small chops. We're here. Right, those are bread. Kind of weird. Terry got some. Look at those strips. Those are awesome. Jack got the same thing.
Patrick, take a picture.
I got mushroom soup. Oh, those are awesome.
Very big.
Look how big those are. They're bigger than a head. God, those are good looking.
You can have one.
Last bit of land before the ocean. All right, my second appetizer, I got the pan-fried crab cake. Terry got the wedge salad. Jack got the pan-fried crab cake as well. This is fried bacon, and my God, that plate was hot. Terry got a little, very little filet mignon. Jack got a filet mignon. And I got lamb chops.
Should only be for people.
Right, so there's the aftermath.
Day two.
Gone. Terry got the red velvet cake. Yummy, yummy. Jack got
Share together and mine
ice cream.
myself.
And I got
Your room number, sir?
cheesecake. Yummy, yummy.
7590.
This here was made by that man. All right, here we are. It's that time. Here we are in the casino.
It's our first night in the casino. We're partying it up, and I'm breaking a little even hat is down $100. Yes, you are. You told me you were. Oh, he's down $50.
I may be down $100.
It's been a very fun day. We went to the steakhouse. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
It was good, as you saw. Anyway, these guys right here, this guy right here, he's crazy. See what I mean? That guy right there, he's crazy too. That guy right there, I don't know about him, but they're all crazy.
YouTube.
Oh, it is.
Oh no.
As you see, they're all crazy.
We're having fun.
He thinks he's on camera, he's back behind us.
What's that? Say, pull me around.
We got,
Bartender's having fun.
yeah, he's behind me, thinking he's on video.
So we think we are, but we are not fancy pants.
Yep. All right, tomorrow, C Day, we'll bring it to you.
I'll be at the pool.
No kidding. All right. See, I'm gonna walk her back. I'm gonna come back and lose some money.